we'll start the session in a minute or so. We'll wait for more people to join us. 𝒘𝒘𝒘𝒓𝒂𝒐𝒎, good evening. Confirm audio and video. So just comment, what device have you logged in from? Are you using a phone to log in, or are you using a laptop, desktop to log in? Good. Shrutika, what device are you using? Phone. On your phone, display is clear, पूरा clear दिख रहा है आपको, you can see the whole thing. Usually screen थोड़ा छोटा होता है ना. So I have given you access on the laptop also. You can go to the Brilliant Scholars Academy webpage. You can log in from there, and you can watch this on a full screen also. Access already given to you. All right. शुरू करते हैं. Let us start. Recordings are available, so if anybody joins late, they can watch. Shritika, did you watch the last session? Did you see the recording? Manisha, good evening. आप लोगों ने रिकॉर्डिंग देखा लास्ट सेशन का? You can also speak up. You can raise your hand and you can speak up. मैं आपको permission दे देता हूँ वो वाला. I'm giving you that permission. You can raise your hand and you can speak up if you like. Very good, very good. So tomorrow around afternoon I can call you up and we will plan out कितने घंटे पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, what all things to study. We'll discuss that. चलो अभी का let us start this session. Language में any problems you have, let me know. English, Hindi, I can switch between both. हाँ, you can speak up, Shrutika. I have given you permission to speak. You can speak up. अगर आपको कोई doubt है, कुछ पूछना है, you can speak up. When you raise hand, I can allow you to speak. So we can have two-way communication. Then we can discuss. You have anything to ask? I'm muting your mic. Yeah. चलो, let us start with some theory. थोड़ा सा दो चार क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. So I learned this new feature. I had a small 10 minutes training session with my team. So they showed me one feature. I can decrease the size of chat and put it on top of my PPT. आपको दिख रहा है क्या PPT के ऊपर में chat? नहीं, you can only see the PPT. So yeah, they gave me some training, 5 minutes training to streamline things. Chalo, let us start. This is our second session of mathematics. Somebody is speaking. हाँ मनीषा बोलिए, you can speak up. नहीं बोलना आपको, that is fine. Chalo, let me start. So in Vedic Match, what we have is, today we are going to see how to perform multiplications, how to perform squares, and thoda sa ek trick we will see for square root also. Pura 2 hours we are going to see multiplications. So how do we multiply things in normal life? How do we multiply numbers normally speaking? This is a way to do. See, observe. Let me take a number small enough, 28. I am going to multiply that with, let us say, 32. So what do we do? See, this 2 is a dot. This 8 is a dot. I am writing their positions. This 3 is a dot. This 2 is a dot. So what do? We multiply 3, we multiply 2 and 8, 16. We carry on 1. See, we multiplied these two. Then we multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Observe, what do? We multiply diagonally. This is 2 and this is also 2. We multiply 2 and 2. Then we put a cross. We move forward. We multiply 3 and 8. 3 into 8, 24. 2 carry over. 2 is carry over. Observe, how did we multiply? What did we do? We multiplied diagonal. We multiplied diagonal. 4 carried over 2. Then we multiplied 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. What did we do? We multiplied vertically. We multiplied these numbers. Observe. Now we add them. 6, 9, 8. That is the usual way of multiplication. We multiply vertical, then a cross, then a cross, then a vertical. So I want you to remember this diagram. See, in CAT you will have a calculator. These Vedic math lectures are being arranged for you, so you can develop new, or you can learn new methods and develop thought process. So look at that approach. Look at that diagram. I am going to again multiply 28 and 32. I am going to multiply for you. Follow the diagram. First, a vertical line on the right side. Look at that pointer. Move vertical. That is 16. You separate it. Don't worry, separate it. This is a 2 into 2, 4. This is 3 into 8, 24. When two lines cross over, you write the result in same place. Separate. Then a vertical line, 2 into 3, 6. Now what we do is, we only keep one digit in one place. Out of 16, 6 will remain, 1 will go in the carryover. So 24 plus 4, 28 plus 1, 29. 9 will remain, 2 will go in the carryover. 6 plus 2, 8. 896 is our answer. Look at this. Maybe right now you are saying, sir, this is a longer method. No. With practice, you can answer this verbally. Let me show this to you with a small example. I am multiplying 34 with 23. Basic number. Observe. Vertical multiplication, 12. 2. Carry over, 1. Cross multiplication, 9. Cross multiplication, 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Carried over, 1. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. Carried over 1. Vertical multiple, 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. That is your answer. Take your time. What I want you to do is copy this part, and then copy this part. I will take few more examples for you in this manner. I have just now taken one more example here for you. Copy this down. Let me know. समझा कि नहीं? I'll repeat it for you, not a problem. Rajesh, good evening. Copy down all parts. Comment done. I will repeat all of this with a different example. Remember that diagram is very useful. Vertical multiplication, then a cross, then a vertical. Numbers can be larger, that's perfectly fine. Comment done. Once you have taken this down, comment done. Good. We'll have more examples like this. Let me take one more example. Let me take an example with larger numbers. Do not panic. Nobody says cat में ये सब करना है, but we are learning newer methods. आगे काम आएगा. Cat में you will have a calculator. Don't worry, you can use that. Perfectly fine. Let us take larger numbers. I plan to multiply 78 with, let us say, 84. I want to multiply. These lines that I've shown you, these lines are called separators. We separate digits. This is units digit. This is tens digit. And this is what? Hundreds digit. So we separate digits with this. Whenever two lines cross, we write the number in the middle and we add it. See, I'm going to follow the diagram and I'm going to use this method. For first couple of times, use separators. Fine with it. 8 into 4, 32. Separate it. Observe. 7 into 4, 28. 8 into 8, 64. 64 plus 28 is 92. Separate. Keep it away. Keep it away from others. Separate. Then 7 into 8. This is 7 into 8. Again, that is 56. All I have done is followed the diagram. Vertical product, cross product, and then again vertical product. Now this 2 will remain in its place. 2 will stay. This 3 will be the carryover. 92 plus 3, 95. 5. This 9 will be the carryover. 56 plus 9, 65. That's your answer. Go on, use a calculator and check your answer. With a calculator, confirm your answer. Vedic Match. Rajesh, I hope you have seen the last lecture recording. So maybe I'll have you, Manisha and Shrutika tomorrow over a WhatsApp call or a Google Meet, and I'll explain to you how much time to spend on which section, how many questions to solve daily. सब लोग confirm करेंगे. Is this done? Are you done with the third example? In exam, I have been teaching this for many years now. I use these methods in the exam to actually calculate results. I use these methods. Very good. Let us try a few examples. Try these two. And comment your answers. I want to see your answers in the chat. गलत होगा देखेंगे, that is fine. I want to see your answers. The idea is वो fear of maths चला जाना चाहिए. That fear of maths need to kicked out of your mind, kicked out of your brain. Very good. Very good. Very good. करना है, effort लगाना है. Don't give up. Everybody sit straight with a pen, paper, or notebook maybe. Calculate these things. Habit बनाना है. Nobody else can appear CAT exam for you. Nobody else can go to IIM also for you. It is you who has to put in efforts. 2 people have confirmed answer. हाँ Rajesh, you can speak up. बोलो. By raising hand you can speak up. You click on your mic and speak up. क्या डाउट है बताओ. You can type or you can speak up. Both is fine. Chalo. Very good. Very good. So let us try. 2882. Remember the diagram. Vertical, cross, vertical. So vertical 16 carried over 1. Cross 4. Cross 4. Cross 64. 64 and 4. 68. Plus 1. 69. What is carryover? Carryover now is 6. Now carryover is 6. Vertical 16. 16 plus 6. 22. That is your answer for the first one. 47, 34. Separators are good, but with practice, discard them. Leave separators behind. Don't use them anymore. Vertical product 28 carried over 2. Observe. Cross product 16, 16 and 21. 16 and 21 is how much? 16, 21, 37. 37 plus 2. 39 carried over 3. So vertical product 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 1598. Answer for second one. Good. Everyone is confirming answers. Very good. More examples. Try these. Try these. On the first slide, I have shown you derivation as well. आपको derivation नहीं पता है अभी. Very good. (82, 42). Let us try this verbally. बिना लिखे एक बार. Let us try. Vertical 4. Leave it. Cross product 16. Cross product 8. Whenever lines cross, you add. Lines are crossing, you add. 8 into 2, 16. 2 into 4, 8. 16 plus 8, 24. 4. Carried over is 2. Keep it here. Carried over is 2. Vertical 32 plus carryover. 32 plus 2, 34. Very good. Very good. So सबको ये method click कर गया. Very nice. So 67 and 73. Vertical 21 carried over 2. Keep it here. This is 18 and this is 49. 18 and 49. 18, 49, 67. 67 plus 2, 69. Carried over 6. 42 plus 6. 42 plus 6, 48. So ऐसा you can do this verbally. Can be done verbally with some practice. So these two are your homework. लिख लो इनको. You give them a try whenever you are free. Simple enough. Simple enough. लिख लो. I will be uploading this PDF. You will be getting this PDF after this lecture. Maybe by tomorrow morning you'll be getting this PDF. Recordings are available within 1.5 hours. A lot of mentors are live right now using the same platform. After lecture is over, within 1.5 hours, recordings are uploaded. So you can view this tomorrow as well. ये आपका homework है. Now, 3-digit multiplication. Do you want me to give you the diagram for 3 digits, or do you want me to give you the complete derivation as well? Manisha, Rajesh, Shrutika, Rituraj. Do you want to see the derivation for the method, or you just want the method? You can type derivation as well. Okay, we'll see. We'll have derivation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So in this case, what I will do is I'll try to explain this to you with a new approach. That is the idea. See, the idea of these Vedic Match lecture is naya approach seekhna, new methods learn karna. So I'll try to teach this to you with a slightly different approach. See, when I multiply numbers, small enough number, 123, थोड़ा दूर दूर लिखते हैं. Let us keep them far. 123 multiplied with 324. What position is this? What position is this? It is ones place. Ones place. What position is this? It is position of tens digit. Tens position. What position is this? It is hundreds position. Similarly, hundreds position, tens position, and ones position. These are the methods, or these are derivations you don't see in Vedic Maths classes. You'll see people are selling Vedic Maths videos for 49, 499. You don't get to see the derivation of it. There's a derivation part. See, there are two rows. This is row 1 and this is row 2. Two set of numbers. I'll multiply one number from above and one number from below, and I'm going to create numbers. I'm going to create 1. How can I create 1? I can multiply these two to create 1. That is called a vertical product. 1. How can I generate 10? One number from above, one number from below. I want to multiply and generate 10. Can I say by multiplying these two, I can generate 10? By multiplying these two, I can generate 10. They will both take same position. So what are we doing? We are multiplying cross. How can I create 100? Please observe, I am changing the color of the pen. Here I am multiplying 1 into 100, first and last, 100. 1 into 100, again 100. Can also 10 into 10 be 100? Yes. Pay attention. First number into last number, first number into last number, also 10 into 10. It also gives me 100. How can I generate 1000? 10 into 100, 10 into 100 is 1000. So we multiply first two positions. How can I generate 10,000? Multiply 100 with 100. That is how you generate 10,000. Can I generate any larger number? No. Largest number is 100. Largest number is 100. Multiplication is 10,000. So what you are seeing right now here is the method for multiplying what? 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. It's a universal method. Now you can go on and perform derivation for 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit. Nobody can stop you. This is the universal method of crisscross multiplication. Crisscross, a vertical multiplication, a cross multiplication, and one vertical in the middle. Then a cross, then a vertical. Write it down, write it down. I will show this to you in action with example. Comment done. Right side is the derivation. In the middle is the pattern that you should remember, you must remember. And left side, I will solve example for you. You want to see place values? I'll teach you with place values. Observe. This is ones place into ones place. Ones place into tens. Tens place into ones. So ratna nahi hai. Don't try to mug it up. Observe. Ones position into 100. Hundreds position into 1. Tens position into tens position. I am showing you place value approach. 10 into 100. 100 into 10 and 100 into 100. Will they ask you in exam to multiply using this method? No, they will say multiply. तुम calculator use कर लो. Perfectly okay. Comment done. 5 मिनट का derivation है. 5 मिनट का derivation. Comment done. I think I'll have to log in from my phone as well. I have to switch between the two again and again. Comment done. Chalo, let us try this. Let me use a bigger space for this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4. First is vertical. 3 into 4, 12. Separate. Then is a cross. This is 8 and this is 6. 8 and 6. 14. Separate. Observe. Pay attention. More lines means more calculations. This is 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 3, 9. And this is again 2 into 2, 4. What did I have? 4 plus 9 plus 4. That is 17. Separate. Now again a cross. Observe. Again a cross. Again a cross. This is 1 into 2 and 2 into 3. That is 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Then what do we have? Vertical. 3 into 1, 3. That's it. Now you work with carryover. This 2 will remain. This 1 will go in the carryover. 14 plus 1, 15. This 1 will go in the carryover. 17 plus 1, 18. 1 will go in the carryover. 8 plus 1, 9. There is no carryover now. So that is 3. 39852. 39852. Absolutely. Very good. All I have done is apply that diagram into my calculation, apply those steps into my final answer. Go on, write this down. Comment done. You want more examples? Should I take a couple of more examples like this? More examples you want? All right. Let us take a larger number now. Let us take larger numbers for sake of clarity. Diagram, vertical, cross, cross, vertical in the middle, then a cross, then a vertical. रटने का नहीं है, ये याद हो जाएगा with practice. Don't worry. The people will say, sir, what are you drawing? What kind of modern art is this? Basic maths, basic maths. Let us take numbers. Let us say the numbers are 9, 6, 4, 7, 2, 8. Big enough numbers. Let me try this with carryover first, with separators first. 8 into 4, 32, separate. 6 into 8, 48. 2 into 4, 8. 48 plus 8, 56, separate. Now be very careful. ये जो बीच वाला part है, the middle part, that is the most crucial one. You have three multiplications. You have three values to be added in the middle. Please be careful. 9 into 8, 72. 72, 4 into, let me write it for you. 72 plus 28, that is basically 100. 100. And then there is 12. So 112, separate. Now here, this is 18 and this is 42. 18 and 42 is nothing but 60. And then vertical, 9 into 7, 63. Yeah. 2 will remain, leave it there. 3 in the carryover, 59. 9 will remain. 5 in the carryover. 112 plus 5, 117. 7 will remain. 11 will go in the carryover. 60 plus 11, 71. 1 will remain. 7 will go in the carryover. It has become 71. 7 will go in the carryover. That is 7071, 701792. Use a calculator and check. Use a calculator and check. Very good. Many of you have already answered before I complete the whole calculation. That is good. Very good. Let us go for some live examples now. Give it a shot. Go on, try. Try. Very good. Very good. All the answers are same, so answer must be correct. सबका आंसर सेम है, It must be correct. Very good. Complete the other one as well. Second one. I'm right now looking at the statistics. Um, is the audio video fine? थोड़ा सा पुणे में there has been heavy rain. थोड़ा network fluctuation is expected. Network fluctuate होगा तो this app will give me not exactly a B, but it will give me a red dot or a flash, which I can click and check क्या चल रहा है. Decent enough, बढ़िया designed है. Audio में कोई problem नहीं. There's no problem with the audio. Chalo. Now I will solve this for you, and you need to see what practice is needed, how much practice needed to reach this level. ये पहुंचना आपको level 324 423. Diagram should be here. Vertical 12 carried over 1. Cross सुनना बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, but I am teaching you. 6 and 8 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 carried over. Cross 9 plus 16 25, 25 plus 4 29, 29 plus 1 30 carried over 3. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 3 17 carried over 1. That is 12 plus 1 13. Confirm if my answer is same as you. Yes. Rituraj, the idea is to help you observe. आपने सीखा, I showed you this with the place value method. Place value. The idea is simply to learn about different approaches. आगे देखेंगे use कैसा आएगा. In CAT also I can assure you हो जाता है, not a problem. But use a calculator. In exams like that you don't have a calculator, NMAT you don't have a calculator, then go for this. Definitely go for this. In CAT also you can use this to verify digits. जैसे a large number is there. I have 279843 into 392847. ऐसा बड़ा सा है. You are not going to multiply. I will look at answer options. If the last two positions are different, I will only check for last two positions. And how can I check last two positions? With this. Vertical it is 21 carried over 2. Cross it is 28. 28 plus 12 40 42. आखिरी में 42 का 20 बनाएगा. जहां पर है my job is done. ऐसा. Use calculator and fine. Perfectly fine. CAT में use a calculator. Perfectly okay with it. Not a problem. Use a calculator. Perfectly fine. अभी जो I have shown you वो देखो एक बार. Learn that part. Because you know how to check positions. अभी आपका आंसर आ गया. How to check last two places. 21. Done. Try this. Try these two. The other will be homework. Or methods. There are many more methods that are going to be there. The third lecture will be more towards DI. I will introduce percentages. Third lecture will be on Friday, that is 7th of June. I will introduce you to the percentage calculation, approximation, and decimal movement from DI's perspective. DI में कैसे होगा? Quant method is fairly simple. In some exams you don't have a calculator. In CET you don't have a calculator, but आपको speed चाहिए उधर भी. So from that perspective, I'll show you. I'll teach you the Vedic Match part, the speed match part. Complete these and comment. Three 8 4 2 2 8. Shrutika, confirm your answer. Comment your answer. मनीषा, आपने काफी टाइम से कुछ कमेंट नहीं किया है. Comment your answer. Good. Sure. Let me try again without separators. Let me give it a shot. 4 6 8 8 2 1. Vertical 8. Cross 6 plus 16. 6 plus 16 22 carried over 2. Cross 4 plus 64 68. 68 plus 12 80. 80 plus 2 82 carried over 8. Cross 8 plus 48 56. 56 plus 8 64 carried over 6. 32 plus 6 ऐसा. This is what is expected with practice. इससे आपका mental maths बढ़ेगा, calculation बढ़ेगा. That will help you in solving complex questions in LRDA also. See, I am not saying उसमें ऐसा calculate करना है, but many times you have to think before you solve. LRDA में जब 5-5-6 condition याद करने पड़ेंगे to reach answer, this will help you. आपका mental capacity बढ़ रहा है इससे. 364 462 vertical 8 cross 12 cross 24 24 plus 12 36 6 carried over 3 cross 6 16 22 22 plus 36 58 58 plus 3 61 बीच वाला सबसे डिफिकल्ट है 61 6 is the carryover 18 and 24, that is 42. 42 plus 6 48 carried over 4. Vertical 12 12 plus 4 16 168168. Perfect. Good. Done. Is this done? Comment D. D means done. You want to repeat? Comment R. Commenting D is done. Commenting R is repeat. चलो, moving on. ये दोनों आपके लिए होमवर्क है. कर लेंगे आप लोग. Perfectly fine. कर लेंगे आप लोग. Yeah, ठीक है. Let's move on. So how do we perform squares when numbers are closer to 50? How much closer? 50 plus 25 or 50 minus 25. So any number which is between 25 and 75, you can apply this method. What is the method? Observe. First, I am writing the formula for you. Derivation चाहिए, let me know, I'll derive it for you. 50 plus minus a, you want to perform a square. It will always turn into 25 plus minus a slash a square. This must be 2 digits. So what is this method? I am looking for 47 ka square. 47 is what? 50 minus 3. Minus 3 किधर आएगा? With 25. That is 25 minus 3 slash 3 square, which is 22. Now what is square of 3? 9. Not 9. It is 0, 9. What do I want here? I want here 2 digits. Observe. What if I want a square of a number slightly further away? I want a square of, let us say, 37. What is 37? 37 is 13 below. 37 is 13 below. So 25 minus 13 slash 13 square. I'll write it on this side because it might come behind my image. 25 minus 13 is 12. What is 13 square? 169. Now remember that I can only accommodate 2 digits. This will be carry. So 1369 is 37 square. Example 1, example 2. I am going below. Let me take a smaller number. I am looking for 33 square. What is 33? 17 below. So 25 minus 17 slash 17 square. What is this? What is this? This is 8. What is 17 square? 289. This goes in the carryover. This 2 goes in the carryover. 1089. Where do you add? Where do you subtract? With 25. What range is there? From 25 to 75, you can perform square of anything. I will take positive numbers, likho, and let me know. Should I repeat? Simply put R, I will understand. R is repeat. D is done. All right. What are we doing? We are performing squares. Squares of what numbers? Squares of number from 50 to 75. Right now I'm going for lower numbers. So let us see. I'm looking for a square of number 47. Is 47 above or below 50? It is below. How much below? 50 minus 3. Look at this. Whatever this number is, above or below, where do you write it? You write it with 25. This is 3 less. So 25, 3 less, which is 22. Leave it there. What is this? 3. Perform a square. Above or below a ka square. I'll take 4 or 5 more examples. Don't worry. 3 ka square is 9. I don't write 9. I need 2 digits. So I'll write 0, 9. Let me take another number. Let us say I'm looking for a nearby square. I'm looking for a square of 44. I'm looking for a square of 44. Square of 44. Now 44 is what? 50 minus 6. So this 6 will come with 25. 25 minus 6. What is square of 6? 36. Is it 2 digit? Absolutely. So 25 minus 6, 19. Square of 6, 36. That is your answer. 1936. Whatever is the gap from 50, you subtract from 25 and perform a square of the gap. We only want 2 digits there. Confirm ये समझे तो है? ये समझ में आया तो confirm. You are able to give up this confirm. There is a lag in the audio. थोड़ा सा audio पीछे चल रहा है. हाँ, we have 5-6 more problems. Yeah. अभी इसका ऊपर का एक देखते हैं. Let us see couple of examples above this. above this. What if I want to perform a square? Let us say number. Let us say छोटा number लेते हैं. I want 57 का square. What is it now? It is 50 plus 7. So you write down 25 plus 7 and perform a square of 7. So that is 32. What is square of 7? 49. Your job is done. Let us see more. Slightly further. I want 61 ka square. What is 61? 50 plus 11. So 25 plus 11 slash. Slightly tricky. What is 11 square? 121. What is the problem? Only 21 can remain. What can remain here? 2 digits can remain here. So this is 36. This one will go in the carryover. 3721. I can keep on creating methods to teach you. I can create more methods. Let us say I'm looking for a further away number. 72 ka square. What is 72? 72 is 50 plus 22. So what will happen? 25 plus 22 slash 22 square. Ab 22 ka square you need to know. That is 484. What is this? 47. 4 in the carryover. 5184. Done. खत्म. तो 50 से ज्यादा 50 से कम you need to focus on that part. If it is above 50, 25 में add होगा. If it is below 50, 25 में से minus होगा. Good. Others also confirm. Good. So you take down these numbers, copy this down, you perform both calculations. I'll be back in a minute with a glass of water. These examples and these examples. Copy both down. 29 square, 59 square, 43 square, 36 square. I'll be back in a minute. Very good. Small numbers, very simple numbers. Very good. Very good. Audio is there? Audio is fine? Your answers are correct, yes. I think all answers are correct. Others need to confirm their answers. I can only see one person's answers. So 43 ka square we need. It is 13 above. 13 above. So 25 plus 13, 38. 13 square 169. 1 carried over. 3969 ऐसा वर्बली आएगा. क्या कर दिया ये? This is 7 below. 25 7 below. 7 below. So 25 minus 7 18. What is 7 square? 49. Job done. 36 is what? 14 below. So 25 minus 14 11. 14 square 196. 1 carried over. ऐसा verbally you will get answers. Verbally 29 बहुत भी चला गया. 29. So 29 is 21 below. So 25 minus 21 4. Now 21 square is 441 carried over. I can show you one more trick here. थोड़ा मजा आएगा आपको देख के. 59 is what? 9 above. So 9 above, 9 more is 25 plus 9 34. 9 square is 81. सीधा verbally हो गया. Let me teach you a trick for this. You'll enjoy this. Probably you'll enjoy this. 25 square is 625. 24 square is 576. Pay attention. 26 square. Can I say this is one step ahead. This is one step behind. So from here to here, there's a gap of 100 points. You can verify this whenever you have time. You want 27 ka square if you want, you have to know 23 ka square. What is 23 ka square? 529. It is one above. This is two forward. This is 2 backwards. So there's a gap of 200 between them. You want 28 ka square, you must know 22 ka square. 484, it will be 300 forward. You can confirm this. You want 29 ka square, पीछे जाओ. 21 ka square 441, it will be 400 forward. A different kind of pattern altogether. I want you guys to spend some time and find out why does it work. Why does it work? Why is this pattern working? When I go 1 forward 1 backward, 100 का gap. 2 forward 2 backward, 200 का gap. 3 forward 3 backward. कहाँ से? From 25. From 25 I'm counting gaps. From 25 I'm counting gaps. I go 3 forward, that is 28. 3 backward 22. 300 का gap. Why is this pattern working? That is the tricky part here. That is the tricky part here. ढूंढना टाइम निकाल के write down this pattern, comment down. Just write down the pattern. There are many patterns in mathematics you do not know of. देखेंगे तो जानेंगे, देखेंगे तो सीखेंगे. Moving on. Comment done. Good. चलो, these are homework. I think I performed 71 square for you few minutes back. तो कर लोगे आप लोग. That is homework. हो जाएगा अभी. How do we perform squares of numbers which are 100 plus minus a? So we again take a gap of 25, 100 plus 25, 125, and 100 minus 25. Any number from 75 to 125, you can use this method to perform a square. बड़ा ही simple है. I'll take 4-5 examples for you. Let us give it a shot. पहले formula देख लो. What is the formula? What is the approach? 100 minus a. I'm keeping two formulas. The confusion आपको is equal to 100 minus 2a slash a square. आपको चाहिए 100 plus a square, 100 plus 2a square. Again, what should be there? This must be a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. I'll take 4-5 examples. Don't worry. चलो, let me take examples. पहला, I'm using smaller gap. I want 93 का square. What is 93? It is 100 minus 7. I want a square. तो 100 में से 7 नहीं माइनस करना है, 100 में से डबल you need to subtract. और let us say याद नहीं रहता. Can I say 93 is already 100 minus 7? अगर मैं एक और 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं तो डबल बाय डिफॉल्ट हो गया ना. सोचो, सी आई एम ट्राइंग टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस फॉर यू. इट इज हाउ मच बिलो 100? 7 बिलो. 93 इज 7 बिलो 100. एक और 7 माइनस कर दो. व्हाट इज 93 माइनस 7? 86. व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 7? 49. योर जॉब इज डन. इससे फास्ट मेथड नहीं होते हैं मार्केट में. लर्न दिस पार्ट. ऑब्जर्व. थोड़ा दूर जाते हैं. आई वांट अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 89. व्हाट इज 89? 11 बिलो. मेरे को दो बार माइनस करना है. सबट्रैक्ट 1 मोर 11. सो व्हाट इज 89 minus 11? 11 square. Number minus the gap. You are doing the same thing. What is 89? It is 100 minus 11 minus 11. तो हो गया दो बार. So don't complicate this. 89 minus 11, that is 78. This is 78, 121. 1 carried over. 7921. देखो समझ रहा है क्या? I'll take more examples for you. Number minus the gap. Were you able to understand this? Were you able to keep up with this? Bouncer जाएगा. थोड़ा time. It will take some time. Good. I'll repeat. Don't worry. See, what I'm saying is, I need to subtract twice of the number. See, if I have, let us say, 95. I have 95, let us say. 95 I have. What is 95? 100 minus 5. Already is 95. मेरे को यहाँ पे दो बार माइनस करना है. तो I need to subtract further 5, which is 95 minus 5. Number minus the gap. Let me clear some of this. Let me take one more example. Let me do it in two manners, two ways. See, I want a number nearby. मेरे को चाहिए, I need a square of 96. I need a square. The formula I'm teaching you is 100 minus twice of the gap. What is the gap from this? 4 slash 4 square. How much is that? That is 100 minus 8, 9216. What I'm saying is the number is already 96. एक और 4 कम कर दो. This is below 100 by 4. Subtract one more 4 and then a 4 square. Did your answer change? Look at this. Did your answer change? No. Is your answer changing? I'll move aside. I'll move aside. Is your answer changing? It is not. But it's simple हो गया ना? It is much simpler. This is much simpler than earlier. अभी समझा आपको? See, the answer did not change for me. Answer did not change for me. Number minus the gap. पहले I had to double. I don't have to double now. All 3 examples done? Good. What if the number is above 100? What if I have, let us say, 108 square? What I'm supposed to do is 100 plus 2 into 8, 2 into 8, and then 8 square. So 11664. What I'm saying is हमको चाहिए 108 का स्क्वायर, 100 से 8 above. तो नंबर प्लस द गैप एंड देन गैप का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 11664. हो गया. आई वांट अ स्क्वायर. लेट अस से आई वांट अ स्क्वायर. थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर लेते हैं. 121 का स्क्वायर आई नीड. व्हाट इज द गैप? 21. So 121 plus 21. 121 plus 21. Number plus gap. And gap ka square. What is gap ka square? 440. That becomes 142 slash 441. This will go in the carryover. 1464. As sochna. I am looking for a square, let us say, of a smaller number. Let us say 113 ka square I need. What is the number? 113 plus the gap. The gap is 13. Gap ka square 169. Done. So 126169 carried over. Three examples. Take your time. So you will start to feel when the lecture started, you could not keep up with the speed. धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा आपका speed. Now you might be saying, "Sir, बड़ा easy पढ़ा रहे हैं." That is the idea behind mathematics. You practice more, you learn more, you apply more, you score better. Calcutta is going to conduct CAT. ऐसा बहुत सारे forums में आ गया है. Officially किसी ने कुछ नहीं कहा है. Maybe somebody knows somebody at IIM committee, somebody has leaked the news. So Calcutta is going to conduct CAT this year. Calcutta is known for their higher level of quant and LRTI. Lucknow never set a difficult paper before 2023. 2023 was set by IIM Lucknow. It was a mind-blowing paper, exceptional paper. Confirm, done once you have written this. वेरी गुड. ये वाला तो मैंने कर दिया. आई हैव डन दिस फॉर यू. Try this. दोनों try कर लो. Perfectly fine. Go on. Commented answers. Good. अभी 10-10 के गैप में तो you can do is verbally हो जाएगा आपसे. So we have seen 3 methods so far, basically 3 methods. One was multiplication crisscross, one was close to 50 squares, and one is close to 100 squares. 3 methods we have seen. How many of these methods have you guys seen earlier or were aware of these methods? One was crisscross. I showed derivation as well. Second was close to 50 performing squares. Now we are seeing close to 100 performing squares. How many of these methods were you aware of? Already knew. सर ये तो हमको आता है. Okay. Chalo. Moving on. Complete these. Complete these. Give me answers. Very good. So grip आ गया. You are able to grasp the method and perform these calculations fairly fast. Very good. Very nice. So I'll suggest you start from the right side. जल्दी solve होता है. नहीं बेटा, श्रुतिका check करो एक बार. Start from right side. What is this? 13 below. 13 का square आना ही है. 13 का square 169. You write 69 carry on 1. It was 13 below. 87 minus 13. 87 minus 13, that is 74 plus 1. Done. It is 13 plus. Right side is start karo. 13 square 169. Write down 69 plus 1 carry. 13 add karo. 13 add kiya to 126 plus 1. So you can verbally get these answers with some practice. Start from right side. बहुत जल्दी बनेगा. Perfect answers आएंगे. What is this? 14 का square 196. Carried on 1. 14 add करेंगे 128 plus 1 129. Verbally बनेगा आपसे. What is this? 8 below. 8 square 64. Leave it there. 8 minus कर दो. Now I want you to perform for me a square of this number. Perform the square for me. Very good. What is this number? It is 12 below. 12 नीचे है. So I'll start from right side. What is 12 ka square? 144. I will write 44. I'll say carry over 1. 88 minus 12, 76. 76 plus 1, 77. Start from right side. Now there is something unique about this number. This is a number that looks like X, X, Y, Y. 2-digit and 2-digit side by side. This is the only number available in 4 digits X, X, Y, Y, which also is a square. No other number can be X, X, Y, Y and also a square. Universally spoken, it's the only number. Universally speaking or saying, it is the only number that fulfills this property, in which two numbers are written side by side and their complete number is also a square. ऐसा और कोई number नहीं होता है. Write this down. Fun fact. I'll move on from this now. Only 4-digit number of the type XXYY, which is also a square. Also a square. That is key. Also a square. It needs to be a square. No. Can't say. We'll have to try. So moving on. A very easy trick. Very easy. Childish kind of trick. You guys have seen this 10 times in 10 different videos. A number ending with a 5. You want a square. Number into the next number, n into n plus 1, 2, 5. I am looking for a square of 45. What comes after 4 plus 1? 5. 4 into 5, 25. 2025. Universally accepted. I am looking for larger square. I am looking for 85 square. What comes after 8 on the number line? 9. So 8 into 9 and then 2, 5. 72, 25. Done. Now, in many books you'll see only 2-3 examples are given and people leave it there. So students like you, they imagine n must be single digit. Not necessary. N can be anything. See, I am looking for a square of 115. N can be anything. What comes after 11? 12. 25. What is 11 into 12? 132, 25. Job done. A larger number, further larger number. 125 square I want. What is key in all of them? There has to be a 5 here. There has to be a 5 in the end. So this will become 12 into 13 and then 25. How much is 12 into 13? 156, 25. I can give you the reverse approach also. In fact, we'll discuss the reverse approach. लिख लो पहले इसको. Write it down first. Comment done. Five must be there in the end. 5 has to be there in the end. complete these. Twenty-five का क्या है square 625? Very easy. Good. Others, confirm your answers, confirm your methods. Solve these. Good. Now this gives us one more very useful understanding. That is, if I write a random number, let us say if I write a number 23345, can this number be a square of anything? Can this number be a square of anything? No. The observation is, see, 5 square, 5 square will always give you 25 in the end. If the ending does not have a 25, the ending does not have a 25, it can never be a square. Yes, I need to think in this manner, because whenever 5 is squared, it is always 25 in the end. It is not 25, it is 45. It cannot be a square. ये समझे क्या? A number not ending with 25 will never be a square. Let us give it a try. I want to test you guys. Can you calculate the square root of 24025? From the beginning of lecture, I have shown you how to go from A to B. Multiply this, do this, square this. I want to test, can you reverse the calculation? That is not a hard symbol, it is 24025. Can you calculate the square root for me without a calculator? it must be, but कैसे पता करें? Observe. Now what I'm teaching you now can be applied to any part of quant. Tricks पे ध्यान दो, ट्रिक्स का ही वैल्यू है बेटा. मेथड्स आप देख रहे हो, मेथड्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट, ध्यान सुनना. बिकॉज आखिरी में देयर इज 2 5, तो स्क्वायर रूट हैज टू हैव अ 5. नाउ दिस 240, लिसन टू दिस. कैन आई से नंबर इनटू नंबर प्लस 1 शुड बी 240. थोड़ा ध्यान देना. व्हाट डज दिस लुक लाइक? दिस लुक्स लाइक n स्क्वायर प्लस n. इसका मतलब है दिस इज more than a square, just more than a square. So let me write this down for you. So you tell me 12 square 144, lot more. 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256. Do you see this number is between this and between this? So if it is possible, अगर ये possible है, it must be 15 plus 16, otherwise it cannot happen. So what is 15 into 16? It is 240. You take the smaller one and you put it here. What I just showed you is anytime you have n into n plus 1, or n into n plus 2, or n into n minus 1, n into n minus 2, whenever you have this, try to look for n square. ये सब नंबर स्क्वायर के आगे पीछे होंगे. So that is the trick. You have n into n plus 1. n into n is a square. It is just above a square. It is slightly above a square. Now you have to check. You must check finally. It is above 15 square. It is below 16. This 240 is below 16 square. So you check 15 into 16. That is the only possibility. So you will come across in algebra, in numbers, you'll come across this kind of thinking. You will need to calculate this or this or this. You need to calculate these. So you must think of a square. Square के नजदीक होगा. 155, absolutely. 155, absolutely, yes. No, Rutrata, I did not say every number will be. ये है. I did not say every number ending with 25 will be a square. This one is. No, not every number ending with 25 will be a square. So I showed you a method. I wanted you to check the reverse also. If it cannot be written as n into n plus 1, you cannot write it as n into n plus 1. It is no longer a square. n into n plus 1 है तो square है with 25. नहीं है तो can't be a square. But जो trick है उस पे ध्यान दो. What I am trying to teach you is n into n plus 1, n into n minus 1, n into n plus 2, n into n minus 2. These will be close to what? A square. They will all be close to a square. कभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग में भी आपके सामने आ गया n into n plus 2 is equal to 280. n into n plus 2 is 280. मान लो. तो 280 will be between two squares. उनको चेक करें. जॉब इज डन. वहां से आंसर आ जाएगा आपका. कंप्लीट दिस. कंप्लीट करो इनको. कंप्लीट दिस. Comment your answers. Simple enough. Shrutika, you have not replied in a very long time. You're calculating these things. You have good. 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 Now, without any help from my side, manually calculate these results. I have named them magic products. ये बहुत काम आएगा in numbers advanced. It will be very useful in numbers advanced. Rituraj has done this. He knows these values. उन्होंने मॉड्यूल 1 के आई थिंक स्पीड मैथ्स के सेकंड लेक्चर में किया हुआ है ये मॉड्यूल 1 के एलसीएम एचएफ लेक्चर में भी ये है आई थिंक सो इज देयर वी टीच दिस एज डिविजिबिलिटी टूल आगे जाकर ये आएगा और एडवांस में आएगा ये everyone observe when you have to multiply 7 into 11 into 13 it is 77 into 30 which is further 1001 so 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to 1001 always remember this whenever you have 1001 it is multiplied or it is created by 7 11 and 13 1001 is created by 7 11 13 बार बार रिपीट करो ये बहुत काम का नंबर है what is beautiful here I want you to observe how many zeros does it contain 2 zeros how many ones does it contain 2 ones अभी सब लोग slow down करो when you come across a number please observe I'm coming across a number some random number 234 into 1001 can I write this as 234 into 1000 plus 1 234,000 plus 234 234,000 234 क्या सीखने मिला what did I learn from this if I write a number ABC अभी थोड़ा डिफरेंट है थोड़ा ध्यान देना ABC into 1001 can I say it will repeat ABC ABC how many zeros do I need 2 zeros when I want to repeat a 3-digit number I'm repeating 3-digit number I need how many zeros 2 zeros थोड़ा ध्यान देना what if I come across what if I'll explain all of this one more time don't worry what if I come across ABC multiplied by 1001 001 how many ones are there 3 ones how many zeros 222 so it will become ABC 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 is it going above your head is this a bouncer for you guys आगे जाके we have advanced remainder theorems module 1 is arithmetic everyone engineer commerce every person should learn arithmetic in detail module 2 is algebra arithmetic and algebra if you study very well you can clear CAT exam then comes geometry then comes number then comes PNC we'll need this in numbers lecture numbers topics repeat correct yes any doubt in the first part that 7 11 13 multiplied is 1001 any doubts in that part maximum books don't cover after 1001 people know difficult जाएगा थोड़ा सा but आता है एग्जाम में तो यूज करेंगे any doubts in 1001 no No, what I'm trying to teach you here is, okay, let me clean this. Do you have extra slide after this? No, I don't have extra slide. Let me clean this. Let me start from the beginning. This one is 1001. Anytime you multiply, let us say you multiply 27 with 1. Will 27 change 1? No. See, what happens is this 7 takes the place of 1. And this 2 goes in the carryover, 20. So what will happen? Please observe. What will happen if I have 27 into 101? This 7 will come here in place of 1. This 2 was a carryover. So this 2 will come here. This 7 will multiply with this, will come here, and 2 will be the carryover. If you understand this, I can raise the level to a different degree. 27 into 101. This 7 is multiplied here. 7 into 1 is 7. Then 2 is a carryover. Imagine 27 into 1 is 27. This 2 takes the position of 0. Again 27 into 1 is 27. Abhi click kar raha hai. What happens? Observe. If I multiply 27 with 1 0 1 0 1, how many ones? 3 ones. 0 देखो, how many zeros? एक एक 0. 2 digit एक एक 0. 27 27 27. ये समझा क्या? Did you understand this part? To repeat 2 digits, I need 1 0. To repeat 2 digits, I need only 1 0. 2727, 2 digit repeated. I need only 1 0. Abhi samjha? You are able to keep up with this? Comment. Let us raise the level. Let us raise it just one step. If I say I have some number 243 into 1001, what I am doing is I am extending this concept. ये जो right side में you saw, I am extending this. What will happen? Imagine 243 into 1 should be 243. This 3 will come in the place of 1. And this 24 will come in this place. 24. Then again 243 into 1 is 243. So can I say these two zeros are there for the carryover 24? What if I have a larger number? Don't panic. Observe. What if I have 2345 into something like this? This 5 will occupy the position of 1, and these 3 numbers will take care of 234. Then again, अभी कुछ पैटर्न बनता दिख रहा है? You're able to observe some patterns here? I wanted the complete number to repeat. There are 4 digits. How many zeros required? 3. I want 2-digit number to repeat. How many zeros are required? 1. I want 3-digit number to repeat. How many zeros are required? 2. 1 less 0 is required for repeating the number. 1 less 0 is required for repeating the number. इसका reversal also I will teach you in numbers. ये दिमाग में रखना. These are magical products. So what is happening here? What just happened here? Second one, what do I have? 23 into 1001. So this 3 will come here. this 2 will come here. ये 0 बच गया ना, you can't do anything, ये बीच में आएगा. Again 23 into 1. थोड़ा ध्यान से, I've deliberately went one step beyond to teach you guys. What is this? 1 2 3 4 into 1001. This 4 will come here. These numbers will come here. ये किधर जाएगा? It will go in the next carryover. So when you multiply this 4 here, 1 will be carried over. 5. Then थोड़ा नया लग रहा होगा. Maybe you guys have never seen this. There's a possibility you have never seen this. There's a possibility. होगा. धीरे धीरे सीखेंगे. I'll keep on showing you new stuff. ये सब रटना है क्या? No, don't mug up. What was my sentence? To repeat n number of digits, you need 1 less 0. ये लिखो. To repeat n number of digits, you need 1 less 0. I think now you guys are tired. I can see responses being slower and slower. To repeat n number of digits, you need 1 less 0. Rudra, you want me to repeat the third example? All right. Don't worry, we will stop after this. Don't worry. See, what I showed you is to repeat 4 digits. To repeat 4 digits, you need 3 zeros. To repeat 3 digits, you need 2 zeros. To repeat 2 digits, you need 1 zero. Now I did something different. Third example, I am multiplying 1 2 3 4 with 1001. So I'm going against the rule. There are more digits and less zeros. So think of this. This 4 when multiplied will come here. 4. These 2 will come in the position of zeros. Where will this go? It will go as a carryover. So when this 4 is multiplied here, it becomes 4 and a carryover 1. 4 plus 1, this will be 2 3. 2 3 will occupy that place. This 4 is multiplied here. Then 2 3 come in the middle. Then 1 goes in the carryover. This 1 goes in the carryover. This 4 is multiplied here. 4 plus previous one, 5. And these do not change. 1 2 3 5 2 3 4. You can use a calculator and verify. I'll do it for you. 1 2 3 4 into 1 0 0 1. Absolutely same. 1 2 3 5 2 3 4. Verify. Whenever in doubt, sir सही कर रहे हैं क्या? Verify. 1 2 3 5 2 3 4. Absolutely. Just one more result. I want you to have one more result before you guys go. ये PDF आपको मिल जाएगा. Tomorrow morning you'll have this PDF. Don't worry. This one. This also is a very beautiful result. 3 into 37 is 111. So what we say is, kabhi bhi, you have same number returned side by side 3 times. You have returned, let us say, 444. It is 4 into 111. And what is 111? 3 into 37. So what we say is, anytime a number is returned side by side 3 times, it must be a multiple of 3. 3 को multiply करके बनता है ना? It must be a multiple of 37. You write 555. It is 5 into 111. And what is 111? What is 111? 3 into 37. So any number returned side by side 3 times is a multiple of 3 and 37. We basically say a number a must be a into 111, which is basically a into 3 into 37. ये वाला तो मैंने अभी अभी आपके लिए क्या कंप्लीट दैट फॉर मी. Two magic products, 1001, 7, 11, 13. I showed you repetition pattern in 2-3 different numbers. Then another magic product, 3 into 37, 111. Two products, you remember, it is very beneficial for me, for you in higher level number theorems. Number will be your 4th module. So what is 21 into 10, 10, 101? Repeating n digits needs 1 less 0. ध्यान रखना, repeating 2 digits will need 1 0. Is there 1 0 here? Is there 1 0? Yes. तो ये repeat करेगा. How many times? 1 times, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. 21, 21, 21, 21 is 5th का आंसर. एक 0 है तो 2 डिजिट कैन रिपीट. 4 बार रिपीट करेगा. 21 will repeat 4 times. क्लियर है? So guys, I'll just close this. I'll just close this chat from my side. I'm stopping the screen share. Anyone has any doubt, ask me. I'll stop the screen share. Okay. So I spoke with admins for a few minutes. They explained me a few things. They have some kind of technology. They have some kind of coding working at end. They were telling me that ऐसा होता है market में, so on. Students go on and share their login credentials with others. So this software, whatever the coding part is, it will allow you access from one device or two at the max. One phone and one laptop. ये कुछ IP trace करते हैं. If it detects multiple logins at the same time or multiple logins even at different times, अलग-अलग device ही detect करेगा, it will block your login. It will suspend your login. Then you'll have to tell me, then I have to write an email to tech team and they will get back and open it. So 2 से 3 दिन का process है. Do not share logins क्योंकि from coming Monday, next Monday, हमारा रोज lecture होगा. So if it gets blocked, 2 से 3 दिन minimum block रहेगा. And then they will decide open करने के लिए. हाँ, श्रुतिका, you can speak up. आपने hand raise किया, you can speak up. Now, श्रुतिका आपने फिर देखो 2 लॉगिन किए. मैं बता रहा था आपको. The way the setup has been created, आपका मल्टीपल लॉगिन अभी देखो. आई कैन सी योर नेम ट्वाइस. ये ऐप करेगा, मैं नहीं करूंगा. फिर वो टेक टीम को ईमेल लिखना पड़ेगा आपके आईडी को लेके मुझे. चलो, डन फॉर द डे. आज के लिए डन है. concurrent login and multiple logins from different devices ये डिटेक्ट करके ब्लॉक करेगा. This was the last slide in my PPT. Next is over. So I'll see you guys now on Friday, 7th of June. थोड़ा DI वाला पार्ट देखेंगे. थोड़ा DI की तरफ we'll go. We'll see some percentage calculations, increase, decrease. ratio comparisons we'll see. Good night, guys. Keep practicing, keep solving content. I've advised you earlier, मैं आपको live पढ़ाऊंगा. I'll teach you everything live. I'll give you these PDFs. आपके जो doubts हैं share with me through the group. I'll solve. लेकिन आप कहीं ना कहीं से चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चन या टेस्ट सीरीज एक परचेस कर लो. एक टेस्ट सीरीज या चैप्टर वाइज लॉगिन एक आप ले लो कहीं ना कहीं से. Any national player will be good. CLM, whatever suits you. Probably next year I will purchase it from somebody. I'll give you the login access as well, but that's next year. Good night, guys.